Yeah.
Now, that chance must develop over itself. You understand me?
True.
So, anyways, the great process began, man. You start to think out of the box now. And first of all, the main thing, my exposure to weed was, my people in my table say, oh, smoke ganja, you mad. Everybody smoke ganja, mad man, I want to speak, blah, 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 blah. So my bigger sister that would come in the house with a couple split one day and cigarette box. She said, where you get them there? And she said, well, a friend of hers gave her them, you know, couple of smoking them. I said, no, stop, you can't even flush them up, right? And a couple of weeks after that now, we started to get exposed to going to high school now and we started to get exposed to some people there, smoke.
Yeah.
And trying to be intelligent, love it, even deeper in terms of thought, reasoning.
Yeah.
Than a lot of women who was exposed to alcoholics. And that's a non-smokers.
Yeah.
And the reality was that it's not everybody who smoke. I'm not one. You start to see a lot of people that smoke that were you couldn't even know them smoke if you never see them smoke. You understand me? So one day a friend of mine said, you know, from a job for a cigar, you take a smoke and you never feel any negative effect.
Yeah.
See? So from time to time after that you smoke again until you know, you find yourself a smoke. My family now, we find ourselves in smoke.
Yeah.
And then start to reject. And we start to try to find what we all know.
Yeah.
The Rastafari was there as the nearest thing to me as a Jamaican. So-called middle class. We grew as a light-skinned youth. In a school that had like 2,000 kids. I doubt if you could find 10 kids in my complexion. And I didn't even remember say my complexion different. There are 19 or 10. And 90, yeah, that's how it is. You don't remember saying the difference.
I don't know.
You just never registered.
You never know some Spanish to look for me.
Alright.
Yeah.
Just observe it. Just observe it to the thing.
Look for my Spanish man. This man.
Yeah.
Okay, Jamaican.
Good. So you know, here with the little differences come in for now.
Yes.
Still Chinese looking, Oriental looking. You know, the Jamaican youth them now, black skin, start to expect of me Chinese culture, which I never have anything like that. You know, only something with like Chinese cooking in the reach, you know. Language was grown me, but we never know a word. From 1 to 10. That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. And 1 and 2, probably half those cuss word. See? But that's it.
Yeah.
But the Kung Fu and the Karate, boy thing, they might expect, you know, me have to defend the Chinese culture now.
Yeah.
And produce some Karate and some Kung Fu. So, you know, wrestling as youth and youth. Me have to present karate front.
Man.
You defend the thing, you know, because she was a Chinese girl and 2 was a Chinese boy. And it work out that come like a me turn out to be the warrior for them. You understand?
Yeah.
So.
Man.
No, but doesn't.
So you did study or you like you study karate or kung fu?
No, yes, at a stage, but at a way after.
Yeah.
Never early days, what about no one shit? See?
Just go and watch Bruce Lee.
Yeah. What I know. I'm China. I love when you used to go. I love when you used to go with Steve, you know. You have a stock of comic books from China, you know, Uncle.
Yeah.
That you price them like gold, you know, not comic books, it's karate books.
Yeah.
I teach them the secret.
Yeah, like, you want them taking things serious, you know.
Oh,
like movie, the man, they read, everybody read
them. Them have them, they lock off, you know, they have a lock on key, you know. Like, you have to be curious to get a look on them, you know. Yeah. Alright, so. One or two little positions were there, but no real formal training. Anyways, if you fight 10 times in a day, the most learn how to fight.
Yeah, sure.
So we have at least 10 fights a day. Yeah, man. Nothing, man. We are clean like the most, like an angel, man. And by when we reach home, man, I can't believe that I see a person. Then I'm going to tell you that. Going all the way up the north coast, all the way both north and east and west are where I am, you know? Yeah. You know, then temperature from here. See, but I want to turn out and feel like some boy, you know, say, I need you inside, but I want to find a beach today, you know? Yeah. But before we reach Wochi, or after we pass Wochi, I want to turn Portland in and go Long Bay and one of the beach up that side.
Yeah, man, you make a nice one.
I feel like I could cross the country and end up over down south there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, down Alligator Pond. You know that place, eh?
Yeah, man, we go Alligator Pond way to Alligator Pond, man.
That's what that
swamp out there.
Tell us something. A pleasure for us tour and you know, but we want to put together you know, archive of knowledge and experiences and all in terms of something productive.
Yeah.
And it is food line really try to, you know, create out of the whole situation.
Yeah.
To me, it has no limits in terms of where it can go, developmental potential, and it is also sustainable. You know, see? So, I mean, I can't want something more, you know, fulfilled than, you know, really push this one over, you know, see? Yeah. I was more fulfilled. So, back to target. Proposal. The topic we want to use. Think about it. You can get 1,000 names for a list right now. Like between St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, St. Catherine, Kingston and St. Andrew, Portland, St. Mary. I can get 1,000 names on a list to represent the vision, cohesion in terms of people and their having shared the vision with them and having their interests, right? In terms of farmers, people who will climb trees to pick fruits, unemployed people, housewives that would willingly spend 3, 4, 5 hours out of them day in a processing facility. Elderly, we don't have much opportunity we can peel to banana same way or do something same way. You understand me? And so on and so on. Gunman in a city, willing to work, and in a city, you know. And we might propose that and say, oh Rasta, what are they doing? And we say, bam, bam, bam. They say, no Rasta, no that one, you know. And jokes are gonna do it, you know. Jokes are gonna. And we laugh and we say, alright, I was saying that, you know. We get out to nitty-gritty and we explain a bit about quick vision and everything. A man say, Ras, well, I don't want to be security, you know. Same time. You want to find work in safe land. Understand me? You understand me? They never had access to a situation like that, where they could have sit down in a van and spread out and mostly could chat and hide with it. Nobody not give them the book. So, and the closest thing to ownership that they ever get, you know. And sit down around the steering wheel and fool on the ignorance, and I say, yo, you know, discharge the gearbox. You understand me? And you know, you them around, man. Believe a man in charge.
Yeah.
Make sure, say, watch out. When you come out, like, make sure, say, no, pick up. You know, look over there.
Yeah, man.
At the end of the day, that pick up on. I can carry more the place, you know. We got a beach, we got a river, you know. In my community, any little thing to be done. If you live good, I just say, oh, that you have 20, 15, 30 people back here. Yeah, so, man. I just say, we need some strength. We can't get up 10, 15, 20 people, quick, man.
Yeah.
You understand me? We live for work if necessary to make a thing go through, you know what I mean? So I mean, I got that, you know? Jamaica, when we see happening like in Africa and other places that civilization is so antique, you know? So ancient and primitive. You know, from Jamaica, go back to them there, stage there. Separation, you know? You have to use intelligence, brother, and you know?
Yeah.
Step up the standard a little, you know, see? And yeah, man, unite and take the thing to another level, you know, see? So, here you are with your talents, you know? And I'm saying, the picture that I try to paint, it's an all-inclusive picture because there's space for so many people. We need advertising beyond because we are not for the top line. Any attack. We have to attack them like real professional.
Yeah.
You understand me? From this base of the product coming right up the standard of it. Okay. So, you know, there's space for everybody along the way. You understand me? I mean, the team has expanded. It has a, you know, expanded potential. But to the full, a full number.
What? Because especially like with this tree attack or the packaging. Because like I tell them with a dandelion thing, don't even bring them the dandelion seed, just bring them the coffee and be like, check this out. This is
Yeah.
you know, make coffee already and they'll be like, this is dandelion. You know, this is bad. This is make dandelion cappuccino or whatever. You know what I mean? Already have that built.
No, you think about it.
And everything set up.
Yes,
So,
yes,
you know,
yes,
mate, it's blah blah blah.
Yes,
Get it
yes,
really, I look see it. So it's good. So it's we I tell you about it already.
We love that one. We love that because we really are expanding.
Yeah, they have the website and have everything set up. And
Yes.
And because you have to think, Jamaica is worldwide, you know.
Yes, brother. Don't wait for them to talk about it. Let them show the demand, let the demand pull the gun.
I'm not sure, man.
Yeah, man.
But I mean, I get the thing from those.